Did you know, when you enjoy your morning cup of tea, as I am here, you are in fact enjoying an infusion of the dried leaves of a camellia, Camellia sinensis in fact. But of course, camellias are not just valued by tea connoisseurs. They have been grown in gardens for literally thousands of years and are highly prized as fantastic spring flowering shrubs. So camellias come in a range of shapes and sizes and colours. The flowers can be anything from single to very formal double, and there really is a camellia to suit everyone's tastes. And as it turns out, I really like these red ones. I think the colour of the flowers, in contrast with this dark, glossy, evergreen foliage, is really attractive and makes a wonderful contrast with so many other spring flowering shrubs flowering at this time of year. This is Camellia japonica Grand Prix, which is widely regarded to be an excellent red-flowered camellia and holds an award of garden merit from the RHS. This is Camellia japonica Devonia, a huge plant of this really old cultivar that's been grown in gardens for many years, and it's typical of a number of these white single-flowered cultivars with these white petals and then this really striking boss of golden stamens in the centre of the flower, which gives this incredibly satisfying, almost fried egg-like appearance, which I love. Maybe you want something a little bit blousier, a little bit louder, and perhaps just more pink. And the cultivars of the hybrid Camellia cross Williamsii do that wonderfully. And this is Camellia Donation, which is known around the world and is probably one of the most popular camellias. What it really excels at is producing this profusion of pink flowers over an extended season throughout the winter and into spring, and it's a really flamboyant, semi-double flowered cultivar that really catches your eye from a distance. Camellias need woodland conditions in order to thrive. They like a moisture retentive, acidic soil and need a certain amount of shade from sun during the hottest part of the day. However, you don't need a woodland garden to grow camellias. They can grow perfectly well in pots. Same principles apply as when you're growing them in the ground. Acid-loving plants, they need an ericaceous compost, which is best mixed with a soil-based compost, a John Innes No. 3, just to give it a bit of longevity. And in terms of siting, a shaded, sheltered, north-facing aspect will suit the plant just fine. While this may not look like one, this is in fact a camellia, Camellia Rossthorniana Cupido. It's got these very small white flowers, sort of bell-shaped flowers, each of them touched with an apple blossom pink sort of blush. And one of the features I enjoy most about this plant is its buds, which are produced quite early on, just after Christmas, small red-pink buds that look like jewellery. And I think a small leaf variety like this one, particularly with this lovely red flush to the young leaves, would really lend itself to making a really unusual and interesting hedge. Camellias are adaptable, versatile plants. And while we don't recommend you go out and strip the leaves off your ornamental varieties and make your own tea from it, I hope this has shown just how much flower power and interest camellias have to offer at this time of year.